Hello, my name is Steve. I'm in charge of the technical support and consulting. In this video, let's see what the Electron 1Q trunk port. It is a pre-knowledge. Need to understand the Genian NAC. Why need the Electron 1Q trunk port? Let's see the picture. There are 3 PCs and security equipment. Each PC is separated into 3 networks through a VLAN setting. VLAN 10, 20s, 30s. PCs have set up IPs and subnets for their networks. Security equipment uses 3 different network interfaces to communicate with PCs. In this network configuration, you can see the PC and the network equipment use 3 physical lines to communicate. PCs communicate with security equipment through each physical line. In this network configuration, the number of physical lines increases as the number of network increases. If a customer uses more than 100 networks, the physical line need to be more than 100. Security equipment must also support at least 100 interfaces. This is a waste of resource and it's difficult to expand network. So how do we reduce this physical line? The solution is to use Electron 1Q protocol. How to use the Electron 1Q trunk port? Now we're gonna set the Electron 1Q trunk port. Set up Electron 1Q trunk port on the interface between the switch and the security equipment. Then remove the remaining 2 physical lines, except one line connected to the interface where trunk port is set. When a PC communicates, the IP packet contains the tag information of the VLAN. PC communicate through a single line. The switch is able to classify the IP packet due to the VLAN tag information. In summary, the Electron 1Q protocol allows PC to communicate with multiple devices with a different network using a single physical line. You can see that number of physical lines has decreased from 3 to 1 after the Electron 1Q trunk port setting. This is the basic concept of Electron 1Q.